Step 41 is for all charities and establishes a number of parameters to help you finalise the accounts. First of all, check that your accounts appear to be okay when you do a print preview on them. Ensure that auto-hide is turned on, and using the VT print preview command, note down on paper the page numbers for each of the prime statements. So for example, if the sofa is on page 11, note that down. Then go to the data worksheet and enter the page numbers for the accounts. These are the default ones, but they will vary from account to account. Number 1 will always be the trustee's annual report, but write down the page numbers on which these actual items appear. Make sure you write in the very last page number of the accounts as well. This will then update a number of things. For example, it updates this statement here that appears at the bottom of the balance sheet and the statement of financial activities, saying that the notes on page 19 to 20 form an integral part of these accounts. It will complete a number of cross-references to page numbers that appear in the accounts, so you do not have to check these, and they will be correctly shown in the final accounts. When you're happy that you've entered all these items in here, return to step 41, then go to enter the signing off details. You may have already entered these in earlier steps, but enter the names of the trustees, the dates of approval and everything else in these boxes to indicate the information that should show on the printed accounts. Remember, as previously explained, an examiner should never put a firm's name in this box. It should always be blank. And the name of individuals should go into that box. This has been fully explained in a previous step. Once you're happy with that, go to the final scrutiny report, the auditor's report, the examiner's report, accounts report, etc., working through the required stages on that particular worksheet, and review very carefully the wording of the report that's been generated. Most of the report will be automated, but you can overwrite particular parts of the report if you wish to do so. Although there is formula-driven text in the examiner's or audit report, you can, if you so wish, completely overwrite that. But we would suggest that if you do so with very great care. When you finish the step, you enter Y in there, and that is the end of this step.